Anheuser-Busch chose Fairfield as its home back in 1976 for a few reasons. Being in the brewing industry, having really high quality, clean brewing water is extremely important. We source water from Lake Berryessa, and having that resource available and having it be of utmost highest quality is extremely important. And then geographically being so close to the interstate really gives us an advantage to shipping and transporting, bringing in our ingredients, and also shipping out our final product to our consumers. We have a lot of green energy solutions that we're utilizing here at the brewery, which the city really support. We have wind power, solar power. The reason why Anheuser-Busch and myself here at the Fairfield Brewery would recommend the area to other businesses is because it's a real sense of community here. The partnership that we have with the city is amazing. Everything you need to operate a business is here. Brewing beer is a lot of fun, and packaging beer is a lot of fun. And so, the brewery is kind of like the heartbeat of the city. We provide jobs for people here, and we're also excited to be a member of the community and give back as much as we possibly can.